Hey folks, welcome back to another edition of RV with the Tanners. Hey, today I'm going to talk about a problem we kind of caused ourselves. By adding the bikes to the back of our RV, with our Alliance, you can no longer see the turn signal, brake signal, and tail light because it's kind of covered. So while at a rally in Indiana, we saw some other people add these side marker, and it's a better alternative because it kind of goes up the RV. So what I'm going to show you is how we actually did that, but the only gotcha here is it's easy to do this, probably 45 minutes, if you just want brake, tail, and turn lights. If you want the reverse, then you have to do a little bit more work. Fortunately for us, while we were in Indiana, Alliance was doing some work on our RV, and they ran a wire all the way from front to back. Again, if you want that reverse light, you're going to have to figure out a way to get the wire from your box up front all the way to the back. If you don't want the reverse, again, it's very simple. So what I'm going to do is kind of show you the wiring and how I did this with a quick connection on the 4-way plug. All right, so here's the view from underneath the RV. As you can see, here is my 4-way plug. What I've actually done is disconnected it and I spun it around backward. And then I'm going to show you a connection that splits that 4-way plug into two. So you can have one go one way and then the other go the other. So here's a look of it right here. That's one of the connections. And then it runs over and up. And then there's another one on the other side. I'll show you from underneath next. All right, so here's the view from underneath the RV. Here is the splitter that I purchased. I'll give you a link to that down below. So it, from your primary 4-way plug, provides two. One going to the left, one going to my right. And it's about 18, 19 inches. And then it connects over here to the 4-way plug on the actual lights that are on each side. A view from it on the other side. Again, from the 4-way plug, it comes over. I've got it zip tied to my bumper, and then the 4-way plug connects here, and then off to the lights. If you're going to run that reverse light, here's how mine is connected here. It comes from underneath the underbelly in, and then I've connected that to the plug up front to allow reverse. Up next, we're going to wait until it gets a little bit darker, and then I'm going to show you the lights. All right, so here we are a little bit later at night, so we're able to actually see the lights running. As you can see right now, we have the tail lights on. They're up in the air, a little bit safer for folks approaching you at night. So we're going to start off with the right turn signal. Then we're going to transition over to a left turn signal. And the brake. And then we're going to end with reverse lights. As you can see, this is a great solution for some of these RVs that have tail lights that are down low and you're carrying bikes. Hey, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments. I'm glad to hear back from you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thanks.